Hello and welcome to this video on the DVANA Workstream productivity system. In this video, I'll show you how to file a client's documents. As I usually do, I'm going to start with the app already signed in. As you can see, this is what the client document app looks like when you first sign in. The main area, the gray zone, is where the action happens. You grab a document from the desktop or anywhere else and drop it onto the gray zone. It's the one marked Drop Documents here, and that's the tricky part done. That pops up a panel. We then fill out the boxes in order, starting at the top and working down. First, we start typing in the client's name or the client code, either works. I'm going to use DVANA. Then choose a label or tag from the list like so. Next, we choose the folder like this. Finally, the new name box shows what the document will be called when filed. If this is what you want, and it normally is, then press the Add Document button. That's it. Job done. I hope you noticed the file vanishing from the desktop. That was it being filed, so there's nothing for you to clean up. It doesn't get any more complicated than that. Let's run through it again. I grab a document from the desktop, drop it onto the gray area. Then I fill out the boxes one at a time. Just like before, we type in the client code or name, then choose from the list. Next, we choose a label from the list, like this. Then select a folder, like so. Check the new file name is correct. It normally is. Last but not least, press the Add Document button and watch the file vanish. Job done again. Now, there are a couple of functions we didn't use, so let's look at them now. The first one is useful if you're filing several documents at once, like scans. Scans often have gibberish file names, so filing them would be hard. But we have thought of this and have an easy solution. This time, we will drag several files at once onto the gray zone to file them all at once. And just to be clear, the files can be for different clients, all filed at the same time. Once again, that pops up the panel. Now we have no idea what this document is or who it belongs to. So we press the document-looking button next to the file name. This launches a preview of the document so we can see what's in it. We don't need the preview anymore, so close that. Now we fill out the boxes as before. First, the client code or client's name. Then the label or tag, followed by choosing the folder. Finally, we press Add Document, and the first document is filed. You'll notice that the second document has its panel automatically ready to go. Like before, we can check the contents of the file, then choose the client code. Now, I want to file this one with a date of yesterday. Click the Calendar Edit button and choose a new day or date. Selecting the day is all it takes to change the filing date, followed by the label or tag as before. We then choose the folder, and finally press the Add Document button to whisk the file to its new location. That is all you need to know about filing documents. A quick tip before we go, and this might help you later. Make sure you are not editing the document you plan to file. If you have it open in Word or Excel, the filing will fail. Even if it had worked, the result would be poor, as the document is still being edited. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this video useful. We have videos on a range of topics, all to help you be more productive. That's us finished for now. Until next time, take care.